Hey everyone! Ever wondered what a black hole collision sounds like? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into one of the universe's most mysterious and powerful events. So, black holes are these massive invisible objects with gravitational fields so strong that not even light can escape. When two black holes collide, their gravitational fields merge, creating ripples in the fabric of space-time. These ripples are called gravitational waves, and they zoom across the universe at the speed of light. Pretty wild, right? In 2015, scientists at LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, detected these waves for the first time. But here's the kicker: while gravitational waves aren't sound waves, we can convert them into something we can hear. Picture this: a deep, echoing hum that resembles the slow thump of a giant drum, or the splash of a heavy object falling into water. This sound, though, isn't actual sound from space. It's an audio representation of the gravitational waves LIGO detected. Listening to it, you'll hear a deep, gradually increasing hum that ends with a sudden chirp-like peak. This chirp signifies the moment the black holes merge, releasing an immense amount of energy, comparable to thousands of suns. This discovery has revolutionized astronomy. Before, we could only study the universe through light, radio waves, or X-rays. Now, we can listen to the universe's soundtrack through gravitational waves. By hearing black hole collisions, scientists can gain new insights into the formation and structure of these enigmatic objects and the larger dynamics of the cosmos. If you're curious to hear it for yourself, check out the LIGO website. This groundbreaking discovery is a giant leap towards decoding the mysteries of our universe. So, keep exploring and keep listening to the cosmos in action. Catch you next time.